Randy, what are we doing today?
New things.
Okay. We're whiting.
Tell him, Jip.
We're going whiting. What he said.
What are you whipping on today?
I don't know. Whatever I can get on. I might bring the Jetta in the trails, honestly.
Okay.
We'll see. Want a race?
What's up, YouTube viewers?
On the third beat, ready? And working these hoes, and they better put my money in my hand.
Somehow I got suckered into riding dirt bikes today, which, I mean, it does definitely sound fun. Me and Jip just don't have one.
Yeah.
So,
Hashtag yeah.
So we'll see how that goes. I mean, we're coming out strong next year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saving.
Hold us to it. So, but oh my God, Jim, don't hide your
It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Look at his tires.
No, dude. Look, dude, what the fuck? Let's see some work, Izzo. Let's see it.
I don't want to ride without a helmet.
Pick it up.
Keep whacking that. All right, easy. I'm on the whoop. Yeah, I can use that for the RV.
How you feeling, B?
I'm good. I'm feeling great.
What up, guys?
You just popped the chain.
No, it just popped off. Son of a bitch. You told me to do a donut. It's Jimmy's fault. He told me to do a donut.
B's on his 1987 CR250.
The time machine.
That's unreal. I just want to watch Jip eat it on the DS80. It's a little muddy today.
Why, I'm
in the pass off.
Pass off.
Did a few laps in DP too.
Everybody's bouncing, but we're gonna hide the truck because I don't think he's gonna come up here. And if he does, I'll probably go down there on my dirt bike and make him chase me.
Technically, you're not supposed to be here.
I'm gonna go see what he's doing.
And I'm the only one on foot, so I don't know where I'm supposed to be going, but maybe I should hop in the truck. I might have to just stake out in the woods for a little bit, but this should be good to go. I mean, it's the DEP. Well, I'm left alone in the middle of the woods. I have no idea where I am, but fuck it. I'm just a lonely vlogger, lonely nature vlogger. So, taking pictures of birds and shit.
So I went down to the circle, and the guy's down there with his lights on, and like a quarter mile up, there's two guys like casually walking into the woods to go hunting. I'm like,
It's
bruh.
It's wabbit season.
Jip ran out of gas.
On
The DS80.
not his bike.
Yeah, and he left
on Jizzo's bike.
He left it at the strip. So Joe just dropped them all.
And then he's like, we were like, wait, where's the DS80? And then we're like, wait, it's been out of gas for 2 hours at a cul-de-sac where Jip left it.
Where the DEP is.
Where DEP currently is. So
Joe dropped them off with the gas can in front of the cop and just left.
I'll go down there with the camera and film to see if Chip's like cuffed up or
You're
not.
cuffed up on the
Or if
hood.
the bike's in the back of the truck and he owes Izzo a DS80.
No way!
Man, it's back!
He made it! Oh my God! Unreal! I don't know how he managed that, dude.
Good work, Chip.
Good work. How'd he do?
On the bright side, he doesn't know Izzo a DS80. I don't know how he talked his way out of that one.
I don't know how Jip finessed his way out of this, but I am impressed.
He was giving the kid with the ruckus a ticket. I'm just like, go, 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 and bounced.
Back him up, let's go.
So like, I'm here, like let's say the DS is here. The kid's writing the ticket, like where that weird white tree is. I literally walk over the gas can. Go, 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 go. He's still writing the ticket. I'm just like,
get a half mile down the road. I'm like, bang, with the fucking gas can on my stomach, dude.
Before you knew it.
Yo, look what you did.
That was hectic.
Peace here.
Let's go!
Let's go, boys.
Fuck the thumbnail, Jimmy. Let's do it. Oh no.
You guys are all riding here.
Taking pictures, but what's up?
You guys know those guys that took off?
Which guys that took off?
You guys that took off?
These guys. You guys that are just sitting over here.
We came in on shot.
We're just taking pictures of us.
Okay.
We literally just pulled in.
Riding. Looks like everybody's bike's a little dirty and stuff. And it's not old mud, it's fresh mud, so. You guys want to just be honest with me and make it easy, and we can go from there? You guys, you got mud on your pants, so.
I just showed up.
I know you just showed up.
He did just show up.
So.
Can we just get out your hair and just part ways?
Just tell me honestly what was going on. Were you riding up here?
I was riding.
Okay. Who else was?
I hopped on for a lap.
You hopped on? Yeah. Okay.
I've been just walking around taking pictures.
Yeah, he didn't.
That's fine. Yep. Now, I appreciate you guys being honest. I'm going to talk to the officer. We're going to see what we're going to do.
Appreciate it.
Either you get a ticket for it or you don't.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And like I said, we can be out of here no problem.
Yeah,
Like,
no, we appreciate it. Thing is, no matter what happens, you can't come back here.
Oh,
You guys got your IDs?
Yep. Mine's in my truck if I can grab it.
Just grab it.
Yeah. Won't come back if you decide to not get it. I promise you'll never see his face again. I'm just trying to not get a
All
ticket.
I'm saying is, I got the DS back.
True. All right, so it looks like the DEP officer is bringing us to the Stadies truck, and probably gonna give us trespassing tickets, which really sucks.
Like I was saying to him, you guys can get hit with three things, right? Operating on the road, operating registered, and operating on property without permission. Those three hits. $92 a piece. Okay, you did the math.
Yeah.
Right, so that's why I said to him, if you guys can admit to who was riding which bike, so I can put in the case report that this guy was on this bike, this guy was on this bike, I'm going to give you one hit for operating registered for $92.
Okay.
That's not fair.
Sure. Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
No
we
way
got
you
your
can just
ATV.
leave and not come back. And
That's happened, and three of the guys that were down there were
I know,
here
but
last week, and I kicked them out. That's why.
I know, but none of us are in the, like, you can check and stuff.
Yeah.
Like, we've never been here before. Literally, first time I've ever
What's
been
your
here.
name?
Yeah, it did change. I told them I can hit you with three things today. Like I said,
Ever?
I mean, I can hit you with the truck because you're up here.
I don't want that.
Yeah, it's private property.
They threatened us with 3 tickets, which
So we took one.
They only caught us doing 1, so well, we're just gonna take it. It doesn't go on my record, so.
YoungTuck.com, put it in the bio. Yo, go buy a t-shirt, help me pay my ticket. That shit was 92 beans. On the swing arm, show the swing arm. www.youngtuck.com.
That's amazing, by the way.
Big facts. Shout out to Nick Pantrod for making these. He didn't get a ticket.
We probably should have dipped first. Usually the kids that dip first are the first to get caught. That's usually how it goes. But, not this time, boys. All right, so we just got our tickets, and obviously they had to make an example of someone, and we were the ones that got caught. And
karma.
They gave us like the cheapest ticket with the least amount of penalties, so it doesn't really come on our record. We just got to pay it. It's literally just a ticket. So I don't care. We're good to go. Could be worse. I didn't get a trespassing ticket, and that's cool because those tickets suck. So let's go get some food and some coffee.
Grub and chill and not ride on the roads.
And we tried to get Drew an internship as a DEP officer. Remember, kids, if you're gonna do something illegal, don't get caught.
Run.
Back in the maxi jet. Where are we going?
Ball shop.
So we're swinging by B Hall shop because we think he might have a little bit of extra paint from when we did my fenders like last year. So you feeling confident?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll find out if I paint or not.
Jim, you've never been there before.
No, I'm excited.
Well, either way, we need reducer, and I'm pretty positive I have a reducer.
Oh shit. Shop day B Hall.
I was gonna say, Jesus Christ, this is a mountain.
Yo, rip the e-brake.
It doesn't engage. I got the wrong shoes in it.
Are you fucking
It works at the very top and doesn't even grab. Trust me, I've tried.
It's locked. I got the key. Oh my god. Oh.
You're already all up to date.
The reason I don't like it,
This is an old video.
that's when Jeff and his homie eat two.
He still has this? I don't, Tommy, I know what you're doing, but shout out Tommy F, yeah. If you guys are new to the channel or just happen to miss like the 2 videos we did on this, Brian, this is like, it's a beautiful Mark III, and Brian decided to respray it, and he's almost done. And then once this is resprayed, that's gonna be his new daily, and then we could turn the E46 into a straight track car.
Full drift car.
I'm so excited for that. Just he bought a drift car and it ended up becoming his daily because
this.
Daily wasn't ready, and then I've been slacking on this all year, but really I just haven't had the money to paint it. But now I have a paint on the way, so should happen very soon.
Ask her if she wants to sell them.
The parts bin. I'm coming up here just to give tribute to my Z bumper.
One day you will go on my black Z.
Thank you very much. Hey, you got enough to paint my orange main this thing.
Yeah. I think I made you buy this for the fenders, and I kept it up here just in case you had me paint another set of fenders, but we're gonna use it.
Yes.
It saves Jimmy money for sure.
saves
This
like
is
$120.
yeah, this is like $100, I think.
Nice.
Jip and I both made out on our adventure to B Hall's pawn shop.
Liquidation sale.
I just bought a
Scratch and dent.
scratch and dent Matco toolbox.
It looks like a piece of shit right now, but clean it up.
Dude, I'm stoked. I've always wanted a tool cart, and so B, one of the guys at B Renters is a Matco dealer, and this is scratch and denter.
Honestly, this thing just needs a little spit shine.
Oh my god!
Look at that. Ew, dude. Look at the overspray. Look, there's a perfect line where something was sitting.
Oh my god! We'll get it right. Does it have handles? Because it's missing handles. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
That looks like a fucking handle.
I wonder if I got any of those at home.
Oh, hey. Is this how close I put it to your face?
No.
My bad.
Okay. Where?
We're putting this together.
Nuts like that. Update. Trying to find Action shot.
It came with 2 dead moths. That's a good deal.
Allen heads.
Josh, these aren't Allen
No,
heads.
you use ones that aren't Allen hounds.
Jimmy, you're doing a great job.
Thanks, B.
Jip, I just saw him itching his nutsack, so he probably has chlamydia.
What?
Behind the scenes, Jimmy. You want to see how the K
Bam talk.
series? It's coming together. This is gonna be the next tool I own. And B, what happened over here? It looks like a
Jimmy
mess.
spilled a whole ass ton of brake fluid.
Oh the reservoir leaked.
Sure
Z-
it
dude,
did.
If anyone out there who has a Z32 mass cylinder, they all freaking leak.
Nobody, they don't know how to install the caps.
No, it's just,
No.
okay. Even that one leaks. That one doesn't.
All right, well, I'll fix it so we can leak on it again.
Okay, cool.
Stop.
Dudley, like the new box?
Yeah, man. It's sweet.
Yeah, I just got together. This thing's awesome.
Hell yeah.
So this was a scratch and dent product right here, but I ended up getting it for a really good deal.
Yes, it's still dented and a little scratched.
Good thing I know about it
It's
again.
nice. There's the dent right there.
Dude, this is like my first real tool.
I'm proud of you.
Right?
I am. Actually, pretty nice. These drawers are nice.
I think those things are.
Speed, should I tell how much I got it for? No, I can't tell.
I thought they go like that.
Whoa.
Keep it a secret.
We'll keep it a secret.
Oh, actually going this way, huh?
Gotta save up for Jay-Z parts.
But we're going hard. B did some more Bondo work, more scuffing. It's a big issue here because of all the brake fluid contaminating all the paint. And then now it's just time to Scotch-Brite, clean, and mask off and spray. It's a pain in the ass.
That's right.
All right, an hour later.
I know the body work stuff isn't too fun to watch. We're just trying to jump through it, but to make a paint job actually come out worth, doing, it takes so much time. You got to make sure the metal's smooth. You got to make sure the bottom's smooth, and you got to make sure the primer is also smooth. A lot of guys will just spray primer and just spray right after. I feel like that's a very common thing where when you don't know how to
Well,
paint.
like you can do that painting a house. So
Yeah.
then it's okay to do it to a car.
But you really got to spend your time making the Bondo, you got to really spend your time making sure the primer feels like silk. And then once that's good, the paint's going to look good. So now we have to take the time to clean, of course, everything on and around it. And then we're going to tape everything up and then start the process of spraying it. Yeah, I thought we were painting the car, not wrapping it. All right, we're wrapped up, ready to go. We're good to go. All this for this.
So I have to clean it off
Again.
at least one more time, and then I'm gonna run some fine line in a couple spots, and then we'll be good.
We couldn't find any mix. It got too late to buy mixing cups. We didn't have any, so Dudley found one that I cleaned out immensely. So it'll do the trick.
We're gonna filter it after it comes out of this cup and before it goes into the gun anyway.
Don't worry. It's just you gotta do what you gotta do.
But first, let's get some snacks.
Yes.
It's all about the details, boys. Tape it up real nice like.
No, not yet. Right now, I'm just blowing it off and tacking it off.
Is this the clear coat?
Yeah, it's clear out, right?
See, the problem is this paint job might come out better than the rest of it. So maybe you should not tack it. Just let the dirt rise.
No.
Got you, B. I'm gonna help.
Oh no, that's what I was gonna say. Yeah, mix that shit up, man.
All right, I'm nice with
You
it.
mix, I
gotta, like,
don't know.
pull.
This is what I was taught. You just pull from the bottom to the top.
You scoop and you dunk.
You really need to, yeah.
All right, technique, man. Look at me. Look at that wrist work.
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this, and we're gonna decant the paint. See that? See how it falls down the stick? That's a chemistry thing right there. Look at me use my degree.
That was sick.
Unreal.
Good.
Okay. All right, we got the first coat on here, and holy shit. Laying paint down fresh for the first time is always like the craziest feeling. Seeing it go from just dumpster primer to this.
Dumpster primer.
I mean, primer looks like crap, doesn't it?
Yeah, I know, compared to this.
Yeah, exactly. Dude, I'm gonna have to give it a nice hand detail. Get all nice and swirly to match the rest of the paint after this.
You always say that.
Right?
After I do make something nice for you. You let it go to hell. Look at you.
God. Dude, this thing is beautiful. I didn't realize we were painting the Mona Lisa again. But she is officially ready
To get a beautiful new transplant of the JZ. I just gotta paint my brake booster, get that back in. I got a new master cylinder because I blew mine apart at that last drift event. And then maybe new brake lines, do some nickel copper. That'd be pretty cool, right? That always looks nice.
That looks good on black too.
Yeah, and it's really easy to do. I'll show you guys how to do that. And then ready for the JZ, and dude, it's gonna be sick. So, of course, guys, Brian fucking killed it every time. It is amazing.
If you guys want to follow some more B-Hall bodywork, he's been posting a lot lately. I've been pretty proud of you.
Oh, thanks, man.
So some
Check out the Instagram right here.
right here, you guys know the deal. So
I think we're gonna end it. We've had quite a long day. This morning was pretty interesting. I wish I got more clips of us actually riding and having fun, but the time we were ready to start filming, the DEP came and shut it down, and now we have to pay a ticket. But that's how it goes. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Have a great night.